So I'm going to show you how to use apps in split screen mode on your OnePlus 15. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So what you want to do is open one of the apps you want to use in split screen mode. So for instance, let's say it's a Chrome browser and you're reading an article. So once the app is open, you want to swipe up and hold the app right up there and then release. And then open the other app you want to use in split screen. So for this one, I'm going to go and open up YouTube. And now I have two apps open in split screen view. I have YouTube at the bottom here, and I have my browser page at the top here. Now you can adjust using the slider in the middle how much space each of the apps in split screen occupies. So you can have more space for one app and less space for another app. Now, if you have screen auto rotation enabled, you can also have them in split screen in screen auto rotation mode, just like that. Okay. And can also adjust horizontally the two apps in split screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.